if you're experiencing an inverter error on your SMA Solar 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check the display. Look at the inverter's display panel for any error codes or messages. This information can help identify the specific issue causing the error. Step 2. Reset the inverter. Turn off the inverter by switching off the main power supply. Wait for about 5 minutes, then turn it back on. This reset can clear temporary errors. Step 3. Inspect connections. Examine all electrical connections, including DC and AC connections. Ensure that they are secure and free from corrosion or damage. Step 4. Verify environmental conditions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Consult the manual. Refer to the SMA Solar 2026 user manual for specific troubleshooting steps related to the error code displayed. Follow the guidelines provided for further assistance. If the error persists after following these steps, consider contacting a professional technician for further diagnosis and repair.